Hello everyone. So this video is about Ola. Ola is an Indian ride-sharing company which offers services that include peer-to-peer ride-sharing and ride service hailing, taxi, and food delivery. Ola is based out of Bangalore and is developed by the A9 Technologies Private Limited. As of October 2019, Ola was valued at about 10 billion US dollars, and a variety of venture capitalists such as SoftBank have a large stakes in the company. So Ola and Uber both are just following the same strategies for the expansion of their businesses and operations to gain maximum customer base in India. Uh, Ola started after Uber, so the business model of Ola is a 90% corporate model, although the founder claims that it isn't. So in the early days, Ola used to pay a heavy payout to the drivers when they were new, and this pay has drastically gone down now because their strategy was to gain the maximum number of cab drivers into their business model, and of course they did it and got success. After this, they made the cab service extremely cheap by offering various deals to the customers, to which people who were traveling by buses or like took cabs. And most of us also might remember those free trips with Ola, like with up to 5 kilometers, which made Ola a big success. So during the early days, Ola promised a minimum of 18,000 per month to the drivers if the device is active for 12 hours a day. Even if the driver didn't get trips, he will still get that 18,000 per month. And those days, the drivers used to get huge incentives, and there were drivers who used to earn more than a lakh, okay, per month. So by paying these heavy incentives, Ola suffered huge losses because everyone knew that Ola is charging less from the customers and paying more to the drivers. So one thing which everyone does not know, like, is that Ola used to charge 20 to 24% of each trip as a service charge. They are charging like that since then, but the drivers didn't notice because they were getting 3 to 4 times of that in 20 to 24% service charge as incentives. Now that there are ample number of vehicles on the road, all those good days for the drivers are gone. Incentive is limited to 500 for 10 trips a day and 700 for 12 trips a day. Okay, they are still cutting that 20 to 24% service charge. Drivers are still at profit if they complete minimum 10 trips a day. Okay, so Ola, like everyone knew that Ola is a well-funded company, so it didn't affect Ola to pay more to the drivers then. And now people are used to take cabs because of many reasons, such as comfort, uh, they travel fast, for their ease. Okay, so it will not affect if some drivers leaves Ola, which is also not good for them because they are making a good amount of money out of Ola. And now Ola makes 2 lakhs 2 lakh trips a day.